If you could wake up tomorrow morning knowing that you have a simple, beginner-friendly system to earn your first $100 by using AI tools, would you try it? Because the truth is, most people still have no idea how accessible this really is. They think earning $100 a day online requires expert skills, a big following, or expensive software. But today, I'm going to show you how regular people, complete beginners, are using simple AI tools to create income streams that can realistically bring in $100 a day or even more, and they're doing it from home, with just a laptop or even a phone. And as we go through this journey step by step, I want you to imagine one thing: this could be the start of your own transformation. Welcome to Smart Cash Academy, where we break down money-making methods in a way that's simple, empowering, and actually doable. So take a breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can start earning with AI faster than you ever thought possible. Let's begin with one of the simplest and most reliable ways people are already using AI to hit that $100 a day mark: offering microservices online using AI-powered tools. Think of things like social media captions, short blog posts, product descriptions, rewriting texts, simple video scripts, or even creating aesthetic images for small businesses. You don't need to be a professional writer or designer. Modern AI tools can generate high-quality content in seconds, and your job is simply to guide the tool, refine the output, and deliver the final result. Imagine this: you open an AI writing tool, type in "write 10 Instagram captions for a fitness clothing brand," and within seconds you have polished, ready-to-deliver content. Beginners charge $10 to $30 per micro task, and completing 4 or 5 of these in a day is completely doable. Start by posting your services on freelancing platforms, or reach out to small local businesses that are active on social media. Offer a simple starter gig like "I'll write your next week of Instagram captions using AI tools." It's fast, it's simple, and it builds confidence quickly. As you get comfortable with small tasks, you can move into bigger opportunities like AI-powered freelancing. This includes creating short-form video scripts, converting long content into social media posts, enhancing product descriptions, or even editing images and thumbnails using AI image generation tools. The amazing part is that you don't need editing experience. AI can automatically improve colors, remove backgrounds, upscale quality, and even design visuals from scratch. For example, imagine a small clothing brand that needs 5 product images cleaned and enhanced. An AI image tool can do that for you in minutes. People charge $15 to $50 per image depending on complexity, so even a tiny job can bring you close to the $100 mark. And here's the best part: once you do a good job and deliver fast, many clients keep coming back weekly. Consistency is what creates steady income. Now let's move into something even more exciting: creating AI-generated digital products. This is where your earning potential can become steady and even passive. Think of digital planners, affirmation guides, coloring books, templates, simple ebooks, wallpapers, or graphic elements. AI writing tools can help you create the written parts, while AI design tools can create beautiful visuals or page layouts. You can package these products and list them on marketplaces where people actively search for digital downloads. For example, you could create a 30-page journal using AI writing prompts and AI design templates, upload it once, and earn money from it every time someone buys it. Some sellers make $20 to $50 a day, even with only a few products, while others cross $100 a day by building a small library. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a writer, you just need creativity, consistency, and the willingness to start with one simple product today. Another powerful way to earn $100 a day with AI is offering AI automation services for small businesses. You don't need to become a tech expert. AI tools are now so simple that even beginners can create automations that save businesses time and money. Think about tasks like automating replies, generating email templates, organizing data, or creating personalized customer messages. You can offer a simple service like "I'll create 20 custom email responses for your business using AI tools," or "I'll set up automated chat responses for your store." Many small businesses are too busy to write content or streamline their workflow, but they're willing to pay someone who can deliver fast, high-quality results. Even charging $50 to $150 per setup is completely normal, and once you've done it once, you can repeat the same process for multiple clients. It's simple, duplicatable, and in demand. Finally, one of the most beginner-friendly and surprisingly profitable ideas is using AI to offer tutoring or coaching assistance. You don't have to be an expert in a subject. You just need to understand how to use AI tools to support the learning process. You can help students generate summaries, create study notes, solve simple homework problems, or prepare for tests. Parents love this because it's affordable, fast, and personalized. You can also offer coaching-style gigs like helping people write resumes, answering interview questions, or practicing communication skills using AI-assisted scripts. Imagine offering one-hour sessions for $20 to $30. With just 4 or 5 clients a day, you're already hitting the $100 target. And because AI helps you prepare materials quickly, you spend more time helping and less time building resources from scratch. When you put all these methods together, you start to see something powerful. Earning $100 a day with AI is not about being an expert. It's about taking small daily actions, learning as you go, and using the tools available to you. The people who succeed are not the ones who wait for the perfect moment. They're the ones who try, test, and adjust. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start with one tiny service. Create your first digital product. Offer your first micro gig. Send your first message to a potential client. That's how every successful journey begins. And the more you practice, the faster you'll grow. You don't need perfection. You need movement. AI puts the tools in your hands, but your action is what unlocks the results. And if you stay consistent, it's absolutely realistic to reach $100 a day. And from there, who knows how far you can go. This is Smart Cash Academy, reminding you that your financial transformation begins with one simple step you take today. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.